After you've noticed these behaviors and confirmed the standing reflex, you will introduce your animal to the boa. And then after 12 hours, you do the same again. If you are farming pigs and you are like other farmers, then you are probably losing money now. Not because your animals are sick, not because your feed is bad, but because you are simply missing heat. And here's the painful part. One heat missed can cost you between 50 to 150,000 naira. And so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to detect heat in 30 seconds or less, even if you are a beginner. And if you miss step number 3, you will keep breeding late and wondering why your farm is not growing because you are simply getting no results at all. Wait. But before I continue, have you ever bred a pig and she didn't get pregnant and you were wondering why? Now, most farmers think that detecting heat in an animal is very complicated. So they are waiting for the pigs to be making a lot of noise, to be aggressive or restless. And some are simply guessing. And they wonder why they miss it completely. If you want to detect heat spot on, you don't need to guess. You need to just know 3 clear signals your animal gives you. Because your pigs are always talking to you. You need to understand their language and know what they are saying to you. So you can walk into your farm, check your sow, and then in 30 seconds you can determine whether that animal is on heat or not. And you can use this process to determine your batch productions. So let me tell you something. Some farmers have sows and then these sows eat well. So they feed them very good food. But these sows are not producing piglets. Why? Simply because these farmers were either breeding too early or too late. This amounts to wasted time, wasted feed, and wasted heat cycles. A wasted heat cycle means delayed income. And on a small farm, this can be very, very dangerous. So what do? Number 1, know the standing test. What is generally called the standing reflex. Because this is arguably the most accurate way to determine heat in pigs. How do you know this? Walk to the sow, stand behind it, and press its back towards the hips. If the sow doesn't run away and it rather involuntarily stands firm, as if they are ready, this is usually a clear sign that the animal is ready to be mounted. They are on heat. If they are not, they would not stand firm, or they would run away or move away from you. If she stands firm, her ears will become alert and her body will be very erect. That's a clear sign that the sow is in real heat and is ready to be introduced to the boar. But wait, if she's trying to move away, then it tells you that she is not ready. It's not a green flag for you to introduce her to the boar because she's not ready. If you breed her when she's not ready, she will not conceive. Step number 2 is a vulva check. Now, for many pigs, once they are on heat, the vulva turns reddish and is a bit swollen. So this tells you that the animal is coming on heat. But just because the animal has a red swollen vulva does not mean it is on heat or it is ready to be mated. It can be coming on heat but not ready to be mated. And so even with a red vulva, when introduced to the male, it can run away from the male, telling you that it is not ready. And so it's not a good time to send it to the male. And just before it signals this standing reflex, you will notice a slimy mucus on its vulva. You will notice a slimy mucus on its vulva. That tells you that it is ovulating. and it's a good time to introduce it to the boar. And this is also exactly the place where farmers lose money. They see the vulva and they rush to introduce the pig or the sow to the boar, and then it does not conceive. And so just wait, I will show you exactly the sign you will need to introduce this animal to the male to ensure that pregnancy is highly probable. So when is the time to cross the sow? Now you would notice that the animal has become restless. She's always standing near the boar pen. She loses appetite. She's always urinating frequently. Now these are very, very important signs that tells you that this animal is having itchy desires for mating. You may even see some of the sows mounting other pigs if they are grouped, in the pen with other sows. You find it mounting other pigs. But if you rely on only the behavior, you will make a big mistake, and that's where a lot of farmers lose money. So what do you have to do? After you've noticed these behaviors and confirmed the standing reflex, you will introduce your animal to the boar, and then after 12 hours you do the same again of the animal. 24 hours usually for most pigs, you see. So after introducing it, you introduce it again after 12 hours. The only sign you can trust by the sow to show that it is ready to be mated and to conceive is the standing reflex or the standing heat. So even if you see all these signs, you still need to see the standing heat to ensure that the pig or the sow is crossed. Without the standing heat, the boar may be shooting at blank eggs. Okay, so what's the impact? Breed too early, there's no fertilization. Breed too late, and then you have a small litter size. But if you get the timing right, you get more piglets, you get stronger litters, and then you also get faster farm growth. So here's the 30-second rule. Press the back, check the vulva, observe the behavior. Once you see the standing reflex as you check the back, your animal is ready, and you would have your pig getting pregnant if your boar is fertile. Ladies and gentlemen, like this video if you found value, and please subscribe to help the channel. See you in the next video.